In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the child door lock feature on your 2019 to 2020 Hyundai Elantra. So that way your kid cannot open the door from inside. So let's go ahead and get started. This feature is only on the rear door. So open up the rear right door first. And right there, that slot there, let's zoom in. Yep, that's the slot right there. That's where you enable the child door lock feature from. You will need your house keys, your car keys, any key can work. Put the key in that slot there, twist the key right. Now the feature is enabled, and now let's go in, and no matter what I do, I cannot open the door from inside now. The door can only be opened up from the outside. In order to disable the feature, first you'll have to open the door from outside, put the key back in there, twist it left, and now the feature is disabled. Now I should be able to open the door from inside. See that? Let's do the exact same process on the other door. Right there, that's what the slot is. Now the only small difference is that this time around, in order to enable the feature, we have to twist left, and to disable we have to twist right. So put the key in and twist left, just as the arrow over there indicates. Key in, twist left. Now the feature is enabled, and now no matter what I do, I cannot open the door from inside. In order to disable the feature, I have to open the door from outside, put the key back in there, twist it right. Now the feature is disabled. Let's see if we can open the door from inside now. Now I can open the door, and that is pretty much it.